I have the Hydravive Electrolyte Drink Mixtures. These come included with magnesium, potassium, and sodium. That's kind of your electrolytes. So these are the packets here. You can see I kind of got the variety pack. We're gonna mix it up and drink it, but these are the different flavors that we have, like watermelon. I always kind of go for like these berry ones. While we're talking, let's pour this in. So you open these up, and I have some water here. I've already had a few of these. You can see what it looks like in there. What's the other flavor that we have in here? We also have a kind of a purple one, which that's right, this is strawberry. So the packets are small. You put in the water, up, and we shake it up. And the one thing I've noticed about these, which I really like, is that they're not overly sweet. A lot of these hydration packets, they're extremely sweet, and I actually have to water them down. But these, what I noticed, is they taste really good. They don't have any weird aftertaste. I want to say they taste like a kind of a good juice, you know? They mix well. You can see this right here. And I think they taste good. I've tried a couple different flavors at this point. Gluten-free, GMO-free, sugar-free. Big thing, actually. That's the one thing I wanted to point out why I got these is because they're sugar-free. A lot of these electrolyte drinks out there just have tons of sugar in them. It's just junk. You don't want sugar in your electrolyte drink. So being that it's sugar-free, that's the biggest thing to me. I guess gluten-free is cool, GMO-free, lactose-free. I guess that all that stuff is good. Definitely made it in a GMP facility, which means they're higher standards than just a normal place, kind of like pharmaceutical stuff. But yeah, there it is. Check it out. Hydravive. Little packets, easy for on the go. And they taste good, not super sweet, which I really like.